Student, I am Vikas sir. Next topic of your chapter matter is the change of a state in matter using kinetic energy. So what is the change of a state of matter on the basis of kinetic energy theory? The first characteristics on the basis of kinetic energy is boiling. What is boiling? Boiling is the temperature at which any liquids will start to boil. The pressure of vapor and temperature are equal. So basically, boiling is a temperature point at which any liquid boils. For example, for water, the boiling point of water is 100 degree Celsius at which water can be boiled. Another characteristics, vaporization. Vaporization is the process in which when we increase the temperature, then liquid change its phase and from liquid to goes in gaseous stage. That is known as vaporization. That means vaporization, it is a spontaneous process. It happens at the surface of the liquid. It is the conversion of a liquid to vapor. With increase in temperature, the rate of vaporization also increases. It depends on the external factors as the speed of the wind, temperature and humidity. That means vaporization है क्या? तो इसमें जब किसी लिक्विड को हम हीटअप करना शुरू कर देते हैं कंटिन्यूसली, तो किसी खास टेम्परेचर के बाद ये स्टार्टिंग से ही वाटर से वेपर में कन्वर्ट होने लगता है वो लिक्विड, और उसी प्रोसेस को वेपोराइजेशन बोलते हैं. मेल्टिंग. व्हाट इज मेल्टिंग? सेम एज बॉइलिंग, melting is also a temperature point at which any solid is melt. So when the solid substance is heated, temperature of the substance rises till it reaches the melting point. After reaching this point, any extra heat given to the substance will not rise the temperature of the substance until the whole substance is melted. Here, solid and liquid state of matter exist simultaneously. यानी कि मेल्टिंग भी है, जो किसी मटेरियल का एक टेम्परेचर पॉइंट है जिस पे वो मटेरियल मेल्ट करना शुरू कर देता है. Another one is fusion. When the state of substance changes from solid to liquid, it is known as fusion. Simple. That means कि वो सारे मटेरियल का जो मटेरियल है, यदि वो सॉलिड से लिक्विड में जब कन्वर्ट होने लगता है, अपने फेज को चेंज करता है, उसे ही हम फ्यूजन बोलते हैं. इन ऑर्डर टू चेंज द सब्सटेंस फ्रॉम सॉलिड टू liquid, the substance is raised to the temperature of melting point and heat is added after this point, which completely changes the substance. Next one is the heat supplied to the solid at its melting point is latent heat of fusion. यानी जो भी सॉलिड है उसे हम एक सर्टेन टेम्परेचर देते हैं तो सॉलिड से लिक्विड में वो कन्वर्ट होता है और वो जो कन्वर्ट होता है उसी कन्वर्जन को ही हम फ्यूजन कहते हैं।